Setting channels mainly involves setting the timbre for each channel. The app comes with a set of standard 128 MIDI instrument timbres, as well as dozens of Chinese-style instrument timbres. Click on a channel on the channel page to enter the Set Channel window, where you can select a musical instrument from the list as the timbre for that channel. There is a triangle on the right side of each list item. Click to listen to the sound of the instrument. The music clip previewed with this timbre will be discussed in the next section on how to select it. If the sound of a certain instrument meets your expectations, you can select the corresponding circle box on the right side of that item, and the sound of the instrument will become the timbre corresponding to that channel. Click the System Rollback button below or click on any area outside the Set Channel window on your phone to roll back to the Channels window. You can see that the timbre information of the channel has changed already. Due to the large number of built-in timbres in the app, timbres can be queried in the Set Channel window. Enter the content to be queried. It can be a timbre name, band number, instrument number, etc. The list below will filter out the query results for preview or selection. You can also select the tags provided below the query input box to quickly filter out the corresponding results. The app supports up to 16 channels simultaneously, with each channel corresponding to a specific timbre. When a digital musical instrument is connected to the app, it will correspond to one of the channels. This can often be set in the instrument MIDI output, usually default to channel 1. As mentioned in the previous video, if a musical instrument is played after being connected to this app, the signal light for the corresponding channel of the instrument will flash. The app provides a way to preset channels, allowing for quick selection of settings for all channels. Click the Channel Preset button in the upper right corner to display the Select Channels preset window, where you can select the established channel preset from the list. This allows for quick setup of all channels. Of course, each channel can also be manually set, and the app will follow the latest setting method when entering next time. If you are not satisfied with the built-in presets of the system, you can click the Add Channel Preset button in the Select Channels preset window to customize the presets. You can save the channel settings in your own defined presets for easy one-click switching. If there is a mistake in manually adjusting channels in some cases and the channel settings are messed up, you can click Reset Current Preset button in the Select Channels preset window to restore to the system default values. Clicking Reset All Presets button will restore all channel presets in the app to the system default values. The setting of effects include reverb, chorus, and other. On the reverb page, different effects can be set by adjusting parameters such as active, room size, damping, width, level, etc. The app has some built-in reverberation presets, and by selecting a preset, you can switch the reverberation effect with just one click. You can actually listen to the actual difference between the built-in cave and room reverberation effects, with the former having a more sound echo. It is worth noting that the reverberation effect requires at least dual speakers to perform. If the phone only has one speaker, it will not be able to produce reverberation effects. It is recommended to use headphones in this case. You can also define your own reverberation preset. The setting of chorus is very similar to reverb, so we won't waste words here. You can try it yourself. On the other page, gain is the adjustment factor for volume, and the impact of polyphony is not significant. In practice, 64 is sufficient. In the Preview Music section, you can select the music clip to be played when previewing the timbre when setting the channel. The app has 5 built-in clips, which you can choose according to your preferences. SynthFree allows customization of timbres. On the Fonts page, click Import Local Sound Font. The system may prompt for file access permissions. After Allow, select the collected SF2 or SF3 file on your phone to import. The imported timbre file may overwrite the built-in timbre due to the same band number, instrument number. For example, at this point, the piano channel displayed on the Channels page is overwritten with the newly imported sound font. At this point, you can avoid it by setting an offset on the imported sound file. For example, setting the offset to 4 to avoid the system's built-in 0. At this point, on the Channels page, click Channel Preset to display the Select Channels preset window, and select Reset Current Preset. It can be restored to the default channel settings. At this point, click on a channel and enter 4 to select the timbre that was just imported. Through this method, you can import your favorite sound fonts into the app, and turn your Android phone into a unique portable synthesizer. By default, the app using the language of your phone as the current language. If you need to manually specify, you can open the menu on the right side of the app and select the language menu item. In the Switch Language list, select the specified language. At present, the app supports English, Chinese, and System language. After clicking the OK button, the app will restart in the specified language. If the selected language is not currently supported by your Android phone, English will be used. Is it simple? Thanks for your attention.